Of course, the whole installation relies on the actual space. From the beginning, we planned our design to work with the space. This meant we had to understand lighting, foot traffic, surrounding materials and colors. We had to think about how the piece will attach to the wall, how students may interact with it intentionally or unintentionally. We plan our production to make installation as smooth as possible. We always want to deliver a product that we're proud of. So here's our finished product. In the end, inspiration came from all over. We gathered information, pulled together feedback from the team. We tested our ideas, learned from those results, and tried again. We utilized the tools at our disposal to make the build clean, efficient, and beautiful.